I'm at MACTAN, Cebu, and here we are checked in at Alta Cebu Garden Village Resort in MACTAN. The restaurant is over here to the right, and the reception area right there. Hello, good afternoon. This is the restaurant area, and our room includes free breakfast. The bar closes at 10. This is the pool, and it has a jacuzzi. Pool is 4 feet to 6 feet. We go up to our room. Very nice. We'll walk through to our room. Sampaguita room, and then make another turn, and this is my room with a nice name. All right. Oh, isn't that cute? Thank you. Wow, cool. Thank you. These are the room amenities. It has air conditioning. Okay, bedroom, flat screen TV, cable, I believe, a refrigerator. Okay, welcome drinks, I got that. And the bathroom, hot and cold shower. All right, very nice. I think the only turn off is that on the way to this place is a winding road, as winding as this one, but among the depressed areas of MACTAN. And who would think at the end of that road is a tropical paradise hotel with these structures in here with amenities. So nice. It's so peaceful and beautiful. Oh wow. Let's explore the other rooms in here. Okay. This is a 2-hectare property. So this is the view from up here in the balcony rooms. Very nice. Sprawling on a 2-hectare property. They even have a really nice driveway, very nice landscaping. It looks like you're driving through a labyrinth. And you enter the gate leading to the parking area. So welcome once again to Alta Cebu Village Garden Resort. This is what it looks like in the morning. So let's go back to our rooms upstairs. Right over there. Beautiful mural and a nice, lovely pavilion and garden walk. And this is the kiddie pool. This is the pool by day. It has a jacuzzi. And let's have a look at the jacuzzi. Yay! Woo! What a relaxing day at the pool all by myself. 8 o'clock in the morning and relaxing at the jacuzzi. This is Joan of Art from MACTAN, Cebu at Alta Resorts. See you in our next video. Bye bye for now.